I chopped down my Christmas tree.
Wow, it looks so natural.
And I found one that already had lights in it.
Hello, my friends, and welcome to another vlog. Today, Chris and I are putting up the Christmas tree and a few more festive pieces around the living room. I picked up this simple 6-foot tree from Bed Bath & Beyond for only $80. It was such a steal. It came pre-lit and gives that perfect, clean, minimal look. And then I purchased a few black and champagne colored ornaments for the tree. They were very affordable from Amazon, and I love that they're shatterproof. This year I really couldn't decide if I should use them or just keep that minimal clean look to the tree. It's nice and snowy and already lit, so I don't know. I'm still undecided. I wanted to incorporate the black since the entertainment center has a black and white theme going, but after assessing, Chris and I both agreed that minimal is just better. If you've seen my last vlog, then you already know that I picked up these really cute knit initial stockings from Target, one for everybody in the family, including the dogs. Syra was so curious about these. I think he already picked his out. He's so cute. I brought out my Hobby Lobby wreath from downstairs. I've had this for a couple of years now, and we were going to put it on the front door, but we have to wait until we have a better wind solution for hanging it. The Chicago wind, like it's something else. A few more Christmas Village homes from Bed Bath & Beyond. I love their holiday decor. I love this $10 Christmas sign. It's such a beautiful and simple piece. I just wrapped some fairy lights around it to add to the ambiance. I'm wrapping my presents a little differently this year, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. I have some Skims panties and some Way body wash and body butter to wrap. These specific gift tags are from Amazon. I bought black and white for my theme. I also bought some natural toned and matte black minimalistic boxes, and I'll be wrapping them in this rustic colored ribbon and black ribbon. These boxes make life so much simpler. The black ones came in a 10-pack and have attached lids, which makes everything quick and easy. I don't like wrapping paper whatsoever, so if you're like me, if you feel the same way, this is just a great alternative. And you can select boxes with Christmas patterns and colors if you'd like. I just prefer these ones. They have a huge variety. Now these gift tags have pop-out figures that are just gorgeous. They're so minimal, but add like a little something in detail, you know? Look at that. That is so me, so minimal, so classic. Ugh, the Kina energy. We were so happy with the way that this space turned out. The feeling I get from low light, glowy ambiance is priceless. It's peaceful and soothing and just perfect for any girl with anxiety to unwind at the end of the day. Chris and I and the kids just absolutely loved it. It is now time for a cozy dinner, and I am making delicious turkey and dumplings. I use my leftover gravy from the turkey drippings, and I add 6 cups of water to a pot, and then I add some carrots, a little bit of celery, and then some green onions, kale, and then of course the turkey. Even though the gravy is giving a lot of flavor, I still add 1 chicken bouillon cube, a little bit of garlic powder, and 1 package of gnocchi, and then I'm adding just a few scoops of my leftover collard greens. They have so much flavor. They have a little bit of vinegar in them and a lot of heat because I like them spicy. If you guys could smell this right now, I'm telling you. I'm gonna go ahead and put a lid on it and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Ooh, look at this, my friends. A perfect way to end a cold and cozy night. I, of course, had to get a slice of pumpkin and apple pie with whipped cream. Thank you very much. This guy. He's begging eyes. Today, Chris and I decided to go to the city. We're gonna go to the aquarium. There is a really cool penguin and dolphin show, I believe. There's an option to do a virtual reality dive with whales or sharks, and you just add that to your visit once you arrive there. It's like a $5 charge, an upcharge. So it's 40 something degrees today, so I'm just wearing really comfortable walking shoes with thick socks, and then some of my thicker leggings. I have a long sleeve sweater shirt underneath this, and then my Nike hoodie. Then I'm just bringing this really simple bag, so I'm not carrying anything with me. My hands will be free, and I can just go about walking around comfortably. Chris is here. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I need to switch bags. I put my money in the small one, and then I'm gonna bring some tissues, sunglasses. I'm gonna bring some gum. Definitely some hand sanitizer. I got this one off Amazon. I love the spray. And I also love the fact that it's scent free, so you don't have that whiff of alcohol, you know? I have the holiday cookie from Bath and Body Works. This smells so good. But I'm also gonna bring this one. Actually, I'm just gonna bring that one. It's all about functionality today. I also brought a little snack for on the way. It's the Kind Bar vanilla blueberry flavor. I gotta have something for the road. And then a hydration multiplier in my water. I forgot the keys. Chris had to go back and get them. Thanks, babe.
What?
I'm like, I always forget the keys. What do you guys think of the beard? I want him to grow a full beard. He grows a handsome, full-on beard, and it's so hot. And he's got a little something going, and I absolutely love it. You guys tell him it looks good so he keeps going. He hates it.
No, I want to speak to the supervisor, bro. I'm not going to sit and argue with you. Así como hablas, vato, you shouldn't be speaking to people like that, bro. I actually even jumped out to tell you, bro.
Oh my gosh.
You thought I wasn't going to catch you, dude. I know you the whole round, bro.
Chicago, baby. Jeez. We found parking. All that drama ended. The guy literally blocked the parking lot to get out and argue with that truck. Nobody could get in. That was something. The thing that I really like about Chicago and big cities in general is when you come to places like this, there's constantly, look at all this food back here. A bunch of food stands with burgers and hot dogs and tacos and whatever, like street food. Yeah, little kioscos. We're in Puerto Rico again. The very first place we stopped by was the Oceanarium. We had to watch one of their 4D programs about sharks. I love this interactive theater. They had bubbles and wind and vibrations in the seat. It was so much fun, you guys, and it was only an additional $5 upcharge for your ticket. After the 4D show, we went back in the other direction to the Beluga Trail. This is where you can see the beluga whales, and it's also where you can see the penguin and dolphin show. I definitely thought it was worth mentioning that the aquarium offers an opportunity, if it's in your budget, to meet a beluga whale in person. It's a $200 fee, and what you do is you get into the water about chest deep. You have this waterproof outfit on, and you get to pet the beluga whale. You get to feed it. It'll do tricks and all of that. Take a photo with it. Like, it's such a cool opportunity. They call it an extraordinary experience. Look at this view, you guys. You can see the Michigan River in the background. I thought this setup was so beautiful. It looks like the trainers were giving the dolphins a pre-show snack, and then a staff member gave a fun and interactive educational speech that was so interesting right before the dolphins did their thing. They used a slideshow and just talked about their mission statement and what they stand for, how they help the animals, and they did a little bit of trivia too that was really fun. The VR shark dive was one of my most favorite parts of this aquarium. It feels like you are in the ocean, you guys. The details underwater were really cool. At one point we got bumped by a tiger shark from behind, and it was intense. I mean, like, dun 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 dun, intense. It really scared me. The tickets for this were an additional $10 each, and absolutely worth it. It was a blast. And of course you have your traditional fish, turtle, and stingray sightings. I thought this random duck was so funny. I literally lost it as soon as I saw him. Like, what in the world? The sharks are always a favorite of mine, and I really wanted to see the penguins that were located downstairs, but they were closing and we just took too long and missed them. But at least we got to see the sharks. They were very cool. We definitely got hungry after a full day of fun, and you know we had to get a Chicago dog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing our favorite parts of the Shed Aquarium. This place is absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend it to anybody who is in the Chicago area. You guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I enjoyed it as usual. Don't forget you can always follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have an awesome rest of your day, and until next time, bye for now.